250 versus 500. Me versus Ken Roczen. All right, boys, welcome to Pastranaland. Unfortunately, Hubert has taken my vet track that was super like fun and loamy and like real small jumps. We had to cut down all the tree branches because all the jumps are huge. So
what you're saying, we should be able to make the jumps at the 500?
Maybe. I'm definitely not going first. Dibs, rock, paper, scissors.
You want to just show them the helmets?
Yeah. It is on the back of a helmet, so it ain't no secret anymore.
Yes. That was amazing. Well, I mean,
we got the rower in there. I mean, you have to stay hydrated.
You know, well, once Alden was out of the picture, I felt like it was my turn to step in and really, you know, show you how to have more fun.
Well, you did it. So.
How was the track?
Track looks absolutely epic. The dirt's unreal. And then we got this beauty right here.
What is this?
This is a 250 that Kyle Bentley back in the RCH days, 2016, had built for me. It's all done up by PC. But I mean, it's fully, I think it's got a fully done motor and everything. And it feels pretty spicy, like super tight. So we got TP's RM Zilla. By the way, I have never touched a 500, literally. This thing, it seems like you can come out of the turn in third gear and just go, whoa.
I think last time you rode it was straight rhythm, right?
Wow. That was the last time it was rode.
All right, so I told Hubert to make a berm and a really big triple step up. That takeoff is freaking huge, and this is ridiculous.
You missed it.
He wrecked?
No, Carson jumped it. Like, he's like, okay, just hold it wide open.
All the jumps, like, they are pretty big.
This is probably, I don't know, 120 feet uphill, massive uphill.
That's how you really try out a jump. Try all the footage on it.
God, look at this dirt. Just good, sticky, sandy clay.
If he'd have went off that, there's about a 6-foot mud hole that's straight down. I would have loved to seen that. This is what Travis asked for. He was like, remember the big stuff that used to be here? Put that back. And now I'm getting feedback, and he's like, we might need to round it all off. I think it's too big. He's the biggest liability we have.
Dude, that was wild, dude.
Dude, that was nuts. When I came off of it and I yanked, I'm like, holy cow, I'm coming around quick.
I feel like such a big sissy, man. Hubert, I told him to build the jumps bigger, and then we had to go cut down all the tree branches. I think you could take a stock bike and run very competitively. So how many seconds lap off you think you'd be?
I don't think seconds at all. I think you can run just the same as what you do with your whatever bike, like factory bike. I'm a true believer in that because the bikes are so good stock now that it is not necessary to do all this stuff to it.
Well, yeah. You can suspension and stuff, yeah, it makes it's forgiving. And you're running so close to the edge, but for one lap, that's
100%. I've had my best years though, like even in 2016 when I won my outdoor title, like stock parts are good. You know, I've always been a believer in that. I don't like just bolting on, like right now I'm riding 250 stock triple clamps on my 450. You know, like I have a lot of stock stuff on my bike. I've always been a fan of OEM stuff.
Sorry for everybody in the, 45 plus D class that's got A-kit suspension and all that stuff. Just run it stock and practice more.
No. Bring me run. No, I am not shifting to third 10 feet before you take off to go into outer space. I know there's not supposed to be neutral between second and third, but I've found it so many times.
At least the tree limbs are cut.
Do you see that bucket mark that's on the edge right there?
Yeah.
If I tried this, I'd be like, not shifting to third, hit it in second. And that would be where my frame hit, and then the handlebar, and then that would be where my grave would be.
Oh yeah, because that's going to make a difference. Oh, that root was the only keeping you from clearing this thing.
No, I don't want it to get stuck in my tire.
He's just building up one part of the lip another foot taller, casually. I think now he's just messing up everybody else's lines so they can't clear it.
There's no way my 215-pound retired butt is getting out of that corner and up over both these tabletops.
He's gonna 100% try it.
A few moments later.
OJ Simpson. Oh, God.
Is that him yelling?
Dude, yeah, he was just screaming. So that's how gnarly this track is. Way to go, Hubert. Double. Love it.
That's my line right there. keep them wheels close to the ground.
There is no acceleration in the air. That's what Travis is playing that card right now. That's why he's jumping so small.
I disagree because I just saw Ken Roczen accelerate in the air.
It was faster and before the takeoff.
Yeah, his acceleration came from before.
Landing in the straightaway.
Yeah, old man, new tricks.
That's why he is who he is.
Yeah. Jump the table.
Yeah, and this quad too. That looked good.
I can almost make the jump there.
Almost.
I can like get the wheel over the backside. I got arm pump already. Yeah. I still don't like it.
But you still got it. It's a sad part for you. You still got it. Hate to say it, but you're still there, man.
I need my fluffers these days, man. Just really appreciate you guys.
Yeah, let's go, man.
Here comes Ken Roczen. Roczen, this is the fastest I've ever seen a human go on this stuff. I'm actually gonna take you down here to this berm. When he drops in, there's a 100-foot jump on the top of the hill, and he's like shifting down 2 gears to not land in the next state.
Gnarly one lap, dude. It's sketchy a little bit, like just the dirt luckily is perfect, but you are bouncing between freaking trees and stuff.
All right, Ken Roczen, third run, final run on the 252 stroke. There's time to cut, let's cut
Let's keep the rubber side down.
All right, Ken Roczen, final time. Thumb don't lie, let's go. Oh, different line this time either, better angle.
All right, so we got Kenny Roczen coming here. It looks like a straightaway. This is a pretty tight turn. I've never seen anything like this before. Here you go, watch this. This is freaking insane. Are you kidding me?
That was insane.
Dude, it's got a 100-foot jump up top and he's braking to get over it. Something's wrong with you.
Oh man.
That's fun. You grab a gear going down the hill.
Track's fun though. Now that like once you have everything down, you can race it a bit more.
If we can get the bikes and stuff off of the Kubota, like in between each run, like we can take the ruts out. Why is everyone laughing? Yeah, can we just smooth this? Can we get this track like perfect every time? All right, I just sent all the guys to lunch and I sent the Channel 199 crew to go prep this track.
Oh, hey there. You guys enjoying the racing so far? I know I am. You're probably asking yourself, Josh, what are you doing with a shovel out here in the middle of the day? So Trav planned this entire day to where we could take a break, they could go get lunch, and then he has me and the other boys in every corner trying to fix this thing up, so he has every advantage known to man. He doesn't necessarily call it cheating, it's more like just using your resources. So where they were riding with rutted out rocks, everything, I'm cleaning it up, prepping it, getting this as smooth as possible. So Trav has every possible way of doing the best that he can. He wants to outrun the pros.
We got the RM Zilla, and now we got Kenny Roczen's 250cc time. I know I'm no match for Kenny, so this is a bad comparison, but I want to try to be as competitive as possible.
Who do you think's gonna win? You got him?
Dude, it's Ken Roczen, man. He got third in the world this year. He got second at the Nations. In 2000, we thought we were fast. The first fast, like legitimately modern era fast person was probably James Stewart, and that was after my time. So even when I thought I was fast, it's not nearly as fast these guys are going.
You gonna put $1 on it? I mean, come on. You got everything else in your favor besides the fact that he's Ken Roczen and...
Yeah, well, what am I, a chopped liver, man? No, but if I put $1 on this, like I'm taking one lap. I'm giving myself one chance because I know as soon as I see, I'm thinking probably 5 seconds, I don't know. I just have such a hard time staying in ruts right now because I just haven't ridden a motorcycle. I mean, literally ridden a dozen times in the last 2 years since I got my new knee, then a new hip last year. But I always said I could go as fast as anyone for a lap, and here's my chance to prove it.
What's the thing though? If you're not within 5 seconds, then what?
Then I lose.
But then what? Like,
what's your bet? Doesn't have to be 5 seconds. That's the qualifying time.
I don't know, but within 5, I think you got it. I'd put $5 on it that you are within 5 seconds.
You can't bet with me.
Are you pressuring me to
bet against you because I actually believe you got it.
Oh man, this positive reinforcement is my kryptonite, man. I don't know.
See, that's why we're doing it, right?
Hey, I think you're gonna be within 3 seconds.
Guy, if I'm within 3, I'll dance the jig. That's a movie quote. I'm not actually gonna dance the jig.
So we got a lot of different answers, so we just need to find out.
All right, let's find out.
Bottom line is the reality and the truth sits right here in my hand, Travis.
I can't even start my own bike, so I'm push started down the hill. All right, boys, here we go. Backside on that whole track.
How sick was that, though?
It was good.
I almost crashed 6 times.
All right, we were thinking about ending it right there. Joe and I did this whole ending. It's great. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, dude, no problem.
But I feel like it's kind of an injustice to Ken Roczen because he's fast and I'm old. It's a definitely injustice, sorry, to the RM Zilla. So we promised you 250 versus Zilla. And I think it would only be fair to show you Ken Roczen's fastest time on the RM Zilla and his fastest time on the 250. So we're gonna put them together. Enjoy.
Ken Roczen scrubbed, like this over here, look where he scrubbed. His foot peg took out the top chunk of the jump. Now, I do feel like I could have potentially pulled more time off, but I felt like that was probably about as good as I was gonna get without potentially ending up in the ER today. So, as my wife said this morning, don't take any bets and don't do anything stupid. So thank you, Lindsay, for allowing me to try to make better decisions. And even though I'm still not making them, at 42, I'm still making bad decisions. I'm sorry. I love you.
Yeah, I should've wanna try me.